Hi guys, my name is Rohit. Today what we are going to see is what is an interface from Golang point of view. And basically it is a method of collection of method signature. I'm not going through the theory, I'll just practically show you what it is with a very basic example. So like I already have a main.go. You can have a main.go ready and you can start writing the basic thing, main. So I'm directly jumping into the interface. Type I'll just type what and I'll give a name like animal and I'll put as an interface. So this is the basic syntax. So now what type do I need? So I will have an interface called, let's say, dog. Okay, dog, and it's string. Its type is string. Cat, and let's say I'm calling it again a string. So this is my type of interface. Now I can have a type of food they eat or sound. Let's have a sound they make. So I'll type sound. So here I can create a struct, or I can, I don't want to, I can have a non-struct. So I'll use a non-struct here. So I'm now creating a struct. So I have a string. Now I'll have a function called, I'll name it E and call this sound. And we can have now we can actually call that dog, name it as a string. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting my interface, and then I can give a return. If it is a dog, my return value will be dog barks. Same thing, I can just copy this and paste it here, change it with cat. Cat, what it does, meow, meow, meow. Cat meows. Okay, now I need my main function. So basically what I did now is so far func main. Now I will need a variable. Now I have to declare a here and sound. We can call this as animal sound. Yeah, and animal sound a. Now since I haven't declared a function called animal sound, that's why we have that red mark over there. So we need to declare that animal sound. Animal sound w, the writer, and we first time we are calling animal here. First time we are calling our interface. I'll describe you in detail what I'm doing. Now I just have to print fmt print ln. What will I do? W dot doc fmt print ln w dot cat. Now I'll save this. I'll go run main.go. Dog barks, cat meows. So I have, with a very basic thing, what I did here is I created an interface, two main thing in that, dog and cat or whatever you want, and I gave a type called sound. Now here even I can do it a struct. I can do struct and I can have it like this: bark string. Oh, I'm sorry. Mark string meow string. We can do this, but we don't really need it, so we can use it on this. We can use it non-struct because we don't need anything here, so we can remove this and just put this as a string. So this is a very basic example of how we can do it. We can use interface. So basically what I did is a collection of, it's a method signature method I've used. So even I'm learning along with you. So if you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, please do let me know. If I'm making any mistakes, do let me know that too. Thank you.